Welcome inside a modern Bison leather factory, where raw hide becomes premium fashion material through precision automation. It starts with high-resolution scanning. Every hide is digitally mapped for thickness, quality, and consistency. Next, enclosed wash tunnels remove contaminants while keeping the plant spotless and tightly controlled. Giant tanning drums take over sealed piping, and automated dosing keep chemistry exact from batch to batch. Sensors constantly monitor pH, temperature, and flow, so the leather develops evenly and predictably. This is an industrial-scale workflow, multiple synchronized lines running at the same time. Operators do less manual handling and more digital supervision from a clean, centralized control room. Incoming hides are logged, sanitized, and moved by autonomous vehicles, fast, safe, and traceable. Every batch is tracked by RFID, full traceability from the first step to final shipment. Robots perform initial trimming with guarded tools, precision cutting without slowing the line. Washing is done in sealed systems, often paired with water recycling to keep the process efficient. Filtration and monitoring keep water quality stable, protecting both results and equipment. Lab automation verifies chemical targets, so tanning stays controlled and repeatable. Chemicals are stored and dispensed through closed-loop systems for clean, consistent dosing. This stage builds durability, transforming raw hide into stable, workable leather. Continuous sampling confirms the process is on track, minute by minute. Automated transfer keeps material moving, without mess, delays, or contamination. A high-pressure press removes excess water and standardizes moisture before the next steps. Moisture scanners ensure drying settings are dialed in perfectly. Thickness calibration is critical. This is where premium feel and uniformity are engineered. Under high-intensity inspection lights, the surface is checked down to tiny details. Drying happens in climate-controlled chambers designed for uniform airflow and temperature. Human expertise focuses on verification. Automation handles the heavy, repetitive work. After drying, the leather is aligned and tensioned to prepare it for finishing. Softening machines refine the hand feel, making the leather smooth, flexible, and comfortable. Even softness is measured digitally to keep premium quality consistent. Color is applied with automated systems that produce clean, uniform shades. Digital controls prevent over-drying and protect the leather's natural flexibility. Machine vision checks color accuracy and adjusts instantly to match the target shade. A protective finish boosts durability, stain resistance, and that premium look. This thin, even layer is what helps the leather stay beautiful under daily wear. Curing locks the finish in place, fast, controlled, and repeatable. Embossing adds signature textures, from subtle grain to bold luxury patterns. Polishing refines the surface while powerful extraction keeps the air and floor spotless. AI vision systems flag tiny defects instantly, speeding up inspection without sacrificing quality. The final expert grade decides where each hide is used, luxury, standard, or specialty applications. The detail is razor sharp. Exact pressure and alignment make all the difference. Laser-guided cutting maximizes yield, more usable panels, less waste. Software nesting plans every cut like a puzzle, saving material at industrial scale. Sorted parts move downstream automatically, ready for stitching and assembly. For fashion components, automation can stitch, guide, and standardize complex seams. Precision stitching creates strong seams and a clean, luxury finish. Edges are painted and sealed, improving durability and elevating the final look. Brand marks are applied with controlled pressure for sharp detail and consistent depth. A 360-degree check verifies shape, stitching, and surface finish before packaging. Packaging is done in a clean environment to protect the finish and deliver a premium unboxing. QR labels connect each product to its batch data, quality records, finishing specs, and tracking. In the warehouse, autonomous systems move inventory quickly while keeping everything organized. Shipping is streamlined. Automated loading reduces handling and keeps products clean. From raw hide to premium fashion, this is what modern, high-tech leather manufacturing looks like at its best.